Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I print 4x6 shipping labels for my eBay Pokemon card sales. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to use 4x6 thermal label printer labels. So the good thing about these ones is that you could just peel them off and then slap them onto a package or an envelope. Now the thermal printer that I'm using is the IDPRT thermal printer. It's very portable, it's very cheap. Now what you want to do first is go ahead and turn it on and plug it in, and then make sure that it's connected to your laptop right over here. Then if we hop on over to our eBay account, before you purchase a shipping label, this is what your purchase page is going to look like. You want to go to where it says print format, which is right over here. Click on change and make sure you select 4x6, click on save, and then click on purchase shipping label. After you purchase the shipping label, go ahead and download it via PDF, and this is what your PDF is going to look like. Click on Command P, and then for the paper size, you want to select 4x6, okay? Afterwards, load your thermal printer paper, which is the 4x6 labels. It should automatically catch, and this should turn blue. Go ahead and click on print, and there you have it. You've now gone ahead and printed out a shipping label that you can easily just peel off and paste onto an envelope. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print shipping labels, eBay labels, specifically for Pokemon cards. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.